They added iPhones to the Minecraft. I have the whole collection in here. I'm just kidding. This is just shields with banners on them. I see. But this is the most iconic one. I even named it iPhone 17. And this is my whole collections on shelves. Do you like it? If not, I'm going to catch you and kill you. And you're gonna suffer.